Sir, yes, sir. What's up, boys? Today we're putting in the Alpharex USA taillights on my 2018 Tacoma. There's the ugly stocks. You see I put a hole in it. Here's the new ones. But yeah, a little nicer. So, pretty easy to take the stock taillight out. All you're going to do is pop this thing open. You're going to take out two. Here, hold on. Thanks, bro. Two of these 10 mils, top and the bottom. And that'll pop this out, and then you'll just disconnect the two quick connects. Another thing worth mentioning, you have to pull out from here your bulb. And then you pull the bulb out of this. And then that is what these fancy connectors will plug into. Is inside here where the bulb was. And then this connector goes into here. There it is, boys. That's how they look. Oh. Not bad for 160 bucks. Easy. I definitely thought the 4-ways looked cool.